Guys, just want to do a quick video, kind of a tech tip, quick tip. If you have one of these KVMs, the keyboard mouse switchers, right? I bought this on Amazon. It was pretty cheap. It was, I think it was under $50, under $60. Now this one has all DisplayPort out, right? But I have a problem with that. These are the two PCs I'm running on this. This is my normal Linux machine that I pretty much do everything on, but I also have to have a Windows machine for some other things I'm not really going to discuss right now, but I rarely use this. Now this one has two DisplayPort outs. This one has an HDMI out. And you can't just use an HDMI to DisplayPort cable and make that KVM work. It's just not going to happen. What you need is one of these DisplayPort adapters, and it's an HDMI to DisplayPort adapter, but it has a USB to draw power, because evidently these things need power to do that conversion, and a normal cable isn't going to give you that power, and it's just not going to work with that KVM. And here's the details on mine. I'll link it down in the description. It was pretty cheap. I think it was $13 or so. But that literally solved my problem. Now this is a cheap KVM, and I knew I was buying a cheap KVM, and I was okay with that if it had a few glitches here and there. And it does sometimes, like sometimes it doesn't switch well. It doesn't work well with sleep mode in the PCs, and all I got to do is kind of reach back here, flip the switch off, flip it back on, and everything's fine again. So I'm willing to do that to save some money on the KVM, since I rarely have to use it, since I'm mostly on my Linux box. So just know that going in, if you're going to look at one of these, there's really just either that or you buy an expensive one and probably still have some odd problems anyway, right, to be honest. Anyway, guys, just a quick one, just a tip on how to get this working. This took me a while to figure out. Like, I'm like, why isn't this working? I had to do some research, found out you need this. So again, links in the description for all this down below. Just a quick tip today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.